Good morning, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications, and today we are going to learn division of large numbers. Already we have completed the three operations addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Today we are going to learn this divisions. Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Division is used for a sharing or grouping. So here 15 divided by 5. How is it repeated subtraction? We shall see. 15 divided by 5. 15 minus 5, it becomes 10. Minus 5, it becomes 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Until we get 0, if you keep on dividing, so how many times we have subtracted 5? 3 times. That is the answer here. So as per the tables, by using this short way, 5 3s are 15 we know, and this is a process of division. This is only to show how division is repeated subtraction. This is a simple example for you. And division is inverse process of multiplication. See here, we know that 15 4s are 60. When this 60 is divided by 4, we get 15. When 60 divided by 15, we get 4. For every multiplication fact, we get two division facts. Sixty divided by 4 equals 15. 60 divided by So 15 4s are 60. 60 divided by 4 equals to 15. And 60 divided by 15 equals 4. For every multiplication fact, we have two division facts, and it is just an inverse process of multiplication, reverse process of multiplication. And in the division, the main terms you need to learn are dividend, which gets divided. The number which gets divided is dividend, and the number which divides the dividend, the number by which we divide, is called the divisor. That is divisor. The number by which we divide is called the divisor, and the answer we get after division is called the quotient. This is the answer. And 0 is the remainder. The number left over after division is called as the remainder. These are the main terms to be learned. Dividend is the number which gets divided, and the number by which we divide or which divides the dividend is called as divisor. And the answer you get after division is called the quotient, and the number left over after division is called as the remainder. Keep in mind that remainder should always be less than the dividend. Remainder should never be greater than the dividend. Among all these among all these divisor, quotient, and remainder, dividend is the biggest number. Now, let us go with a divide and verify your answer. You should be thorough with the tables for divisions and multiplications. Eight lakhs 94,183 divided by 96. So For this, as the first two digits are smaller than the divisor, we have to go with the three digits here. 96, 8s are 8 6s are 48, 8 9s are 72, 96 9s are we shall go with 9 6s are 54, 9 9s are 81 plus 5 86. So we shall go with 96 9s are 864. 4 minus 4 0, 9 minus 6 3. Bring down 1. So 3 not 1. Now we shall go with 96 3s are 3 6s are 18, 3 9s are 27 plus 1 28. Or else you can write 966 table by the side of a division and you can select the number. This number should be less than this number. So 288 is less than this. 11 minus 8 3. This becomes 9 as we have borrowed 1. This becomes 2. From here we have borrowed, it becomes 10. From here we have borrowed, this becomes 11. 11 minus 8 3. 9 minus 8 1. 2 minus 2 0. 13 is left over and bring down 8. 96 2s are 192. As it is greater than this number, we shall go with 96 1s are. 96 1s are 96. 8 minus 6 2. 13 minus 9 4. And bring down 3. 423 we have now. 96 3s are 288. We shall go with 96 4s are. 4 6s are 24. 4 9s are 36 plus 2 384. If you have any doubt, we can go with 96 5s are. 5 6s are 30. 5 9s are 45 plus 3 480. So 480 is greater than 423. So we should go with 96 5s are is greater than 423. We shall go with 96 4s are. 384. 13 minus 4 9. This becomes 1. From here we have to borrow, this becomes 11. 11 minus 8 3. So there is no numbers here. It is the remainder leftover number. So quotient is 9314 and remainder equals 39. And for checking of division, we have a formula. Dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula, divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the divisor? This is 96 is the divisor. Quotient is 9314 and remainder is 39. Just multiply these two now. 9314 into 96. So I shall multiply here. 9314 into 96. Karthik? Six fours are 24, 6 ones are 6, 8, 6 threes are 18, 6 nines are 54 plus 1, 55. Again with 9. 9 fours are 36, 3. 9 ones are 9 plus 3, 12. 9 threes are 27 plus 1, 28. 9 nines are 81 plus 2, 83. 4. 14, 1, 10, 11, 14, 9, 8. For this we have to add the remainder. $39 plus here. Division into quotient plus remainder. This answer is 8,94,144 plus 39. 8, 1, 4, 9, 8. So we got the dividend here. So our division is correct. In this way you have to divide the number and you have to verify your division whether it is correct or not. We got the dividend here. What is the formula for checking? Dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here let us go with the properties of division now. Any number divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. 5,637 divided by 1, the quotient will be 5,637. If we divide any number by itself, the quotient is 1. 6,789 divided by 6,789 is equal to 1. We know that 10 divided by 10, 10 ones are 10. So the quotient will be 1 if any number is divided. If any number is divided by number itself, the quotient will be 1. If 0 is divided by any non-zero number, the quotient is 0. 0 divided by 537 equals 0. 537 zeros are 0, so the quotient will be 0. Division by 0 is meaningless or not possible. It's undefined. So 1245 by 0 is equal to not possible. It is meaningless and undefined. These are the properties of division. Karthik. Now let us go with division by 10, 100 and 1000. Take a number 6,385 divided by 10. When a number is divided by 10, the units place digit will be the remainder and the remaining 3 digits will be the quotient. Quotient is equal to 638 and remainder is 5. I'll show you how. 10 6 are 60. Bring down 8. 10 3s are 30. 8. Bring down 5. 10 8s are 80. This is the remainder. So when a number is divided by 10, the units place digit will be the remainder, remaining will be the quotient. And in the same way, when any number is divided by 100, the ones and tens place digits will be the remainder and remaining will be the quotient. As one sentence places zeros, these two will be the remainder. Quotient equals 972, remainder equals 46. When any number is divided by 1000, the first three digits will be the remainder and remaining will be the quotient. The digits in the ones, tens, hundreds are zeros. So the digits in the dividend ones, tens, hundreds digits will be the remainder and the remaining will be the quotient. This is a very simple process. You need not actually divide when the divisors are 10, 100, thousands. By seeing the according to the places of zeros in the divisor, you can write the remainders and the remaining thing will be the quotient. Now let us go with word problems and divisions. Word problems on divisions. The cost of 249 air conditioner ACs is 6,324 63,24,600 rupees. Find the cost of each air conditioner. Find the cost of each AC. So, cost of 249 coolers is ACs is given, and you have to find the cost of each or one air condition. So, I already told you that it is the inverse or reverse process of multiplication. Cost of one is given, you have to find many, that is into, you have to multiply. The operation you have to use is multiplication. And many to one, here many air conditions cost is given, and you have to find the cost of one, then it is division. Remember that many to one is division. You have to divide. Many to one is division and one to many is multiplication. So write the statements. What is given? Cost of 249 air coolers. $63,24,600 and cost of one AC, that is equal to divided by 249. Yeah, let us go with the division now. This cost of 249 air coolers is given, and we have to find the cost of each air cooler. For that, we shall divide this 63,24,600 by 249. Let us go with the 249 table. Take first three digits of the dividend 632. As it is greater than 249, we go with three digits. If the three digits are less than 249, we shall go with the fourth digits. As it is greater than this, take three digits of the dividend. And 249 ones are 249, 249 twos are 498, and 249 threes are 747. As 747 is greater than this 632, we shall go with 249 twos are, that is 498. 12 minus 12 minus 8, 4, and 12 minus 9, as it is 3, it becomes borrowed 1, so it becomes 2 and becomes 12. 12 minus 9 is 3, and 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down 4 now. 134 is the remainder after subtraction, 4 we have brought down. Now 249 5s are 1245, 249 6 are 1494. As this is greater than this, we shall go with 249 5s are 1 2 4 5. 14 minus 5 9. Here 3. 13 minus 4 9. Here it becomes 2. Now bring down 6, 996. 249 4s are 996. So remainder is 0. Bring down this 0. 249 zeros are 0. Each number brought down should be divided by the divisor. So there is no leftover here. Bring down 0. Divide it. 249 zeros are 0. Again another 0 we have to bring down. It should also be divided. So if you don't divide, you might forget to put the zeros here. So the number brought down should be divided by the divisor. So the cost of one air cooler is ₹25,400. And if you want, you can check the division with the formula dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Just multiply this with this and add the remainder. You should get this number. Your division will be checked. And let us go with another word problem now. What should be added to 18,49,346 so that it gets exactly divisible by 124. So for that, what should we do? We shall divide this number by this number, and whatever the number left over should be added to the dividend so that it gets exactly divisible by this. The leftover remainder should be added. This is dividend. Divisor is 124. 124 ones are 124. As the divisor is 3 digits and the first 3 digits are greater than the divisor, go with only 3 digits. 124. 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 2 6. And bring down 9 609. 124 4s are you go with. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9, 4 96. 124 5s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 1s are 5, 6, 620. So, as 620 is greater than this, we shall go with 124 4s are 496. 9 minus 6 3, 10 minus 9 1, 5 minus 4 1. Bring down 3. 124 9s are we shall see. 124 10s are 1240. So we shall go with 9s are and 8s are. 9 4s are 36. 9 2s are 18. 21. 9 1s are 9 plus 2 11. So we shall go with 9. 1116. 1016. 13 minus 6. 7. This becomes 2. 2 minus 1 1. Now bring down 4. 124. 2s are is 248. So we shall go with 124 1s are 124 50. And bring down 6. Yes. So 506. 124 4s are 496. 124 4s are 496. Continue the division here. 124 4s are 496. 6 minus 6 0. 10. This becomes 4 9. 10 is the remainder. So if you add this remainder to this number, this gets exactly divided by 124. So 10 is the remainder. No, wait. Yes, remainder is 10 here. So, I am sorry, the question itself in the textbook is wrong. It should be written as what should be subtracted. Instead of addition, you have to write what should be subtracted so that this number exactly gets divisible by 124. Let us check after subtracting 10 from this. Just 10 from this, it becomes 336. Let us divide now. 124 ones are 124, 609, 6. And here, instead of 4, we shall bring down 3 here. ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా? ఇదేది తప్ప 116 becomes 13 minus 6 7. 3 minus 1, 1 3 8. So here the question itself is wrong in page number 54 hearts. So what should be subtracted to make this number so that it gets exactly divisible by 124? So the number that should be subtracted is the remainder 10. So remainder 10 should be subtracted. So from this, if you subtract 10 and divide, you get the remainder 0. So remainder 10 should be subtracted. So children, many problems on division are given here for practice word problems and numerical problems, and worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.